Just edit it later.
Hey foodies, and welcome to another episode of Nerdy Nibbles.
Today we're making lemon bars. I am currently mixing all of the ingredients together for our crust. But Kyra, why don't you go ahead and tell the people what's in it?
So in this bowl is 1 tablespoon of finely grated lemon zest, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 12 teaspoons, about 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour.
Alright, and while you're mixing it, what you want to do is make sure you have your oven on to 350. It is literally every time. I'm sure one of these days I'll be able to do this without spilling something or burning myself on something.
So this is the crust, correct?
Yes.
It smells so good.
Okay, I think it's well incorporated.
Looks pretty good.
Don't ask me why I'm doing it this way. I just am. And it said to press it down into the pan with your fingers. This might be too much.
I mean, who doesn't like a thick crust?
I mean, this is something.
Everything we do is something.
There's something not right about it, though. Okay, we're just gonna run with it and then see what happens.
Like it's not,
It just doesn't feel...
like it's gonna be a crust?
No, it does not. But this was the instructions. Guess we're just gonna trust the process. Alright, now you wait for 20 minutes. 3/4 cup of lemon juice. Sorry. Oh. Carl, can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you? Please.
I mean, whatever worked.
Boy, we've been standing here all day.
It's in there.
Whisk until beaten. Okay.
Alright, so we cracked 4 room temperature eggs into this bowl, and she is beating them until they...
Whisk until beaten.
Whisk until beaten.
They look pretty beat up to me. Alright, now I'm gonna add, what? A tablespoon of zest, right?
Yes. 1 tablespoon of finely grated lemon zest. And then we got a 1/4 cup of lemon juice right here.
I add a little extra because we like lemon here. Alright, now I'm gonna whisk in this lemon juice. Alright, now
We need 1.5 cup of granulated sugar. Edit it out. Got our sugar here. Need like 1/2 more. 1.5.
1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt.
Here's the 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt.
1/3 cup all-purpose flour. Now it says to sift. I don't have one of those bougie sifters, so I have this. Just need 1/3 cup.
There we go. 1/3. There you go.
Alright, Ty, I'm gonna whisk it. I'm gonna need you to sift the flour in. Just give me a second to get. Oh damn, Kai, let me get it incorporated.
I'm a sifting. She sifted it. Oh.
Okay, I think it's all incorporated now. Okay, I want to check on. Actually, I'm just.
A little extra lemon. Doesn't hurt nobody.
That's the last time we made something with lemon. The lemon got drowned out.
It's just burly lemon.
I'm gonna check on the crust here. I don't think it's crusty though. But... Yep, that's hot. Alright, so we just have to wait till it turns golden brown. Wait, yes? Golden brown? Golden brown around the edges. Alright, come back to us in 10 minutes. Alright, so now I'm pouring the mixture on. It has to do, you have to do it this way. Don't do it any other way. You'll ruin it.
So right out of the oven, we pour the filling on.
Okay, and then in we go. Back in. right, and now we wait.
So let's go ahead and see where we're at. All right, so she said set on the edges with a jiggly center. And that looks like it has a preset center. So I'm going to set you down.
All right, so it's been over an hour. We took it out of the oven. It's done. It has set. You can let it set overnight in the fridge if you'd like. Cairo went home. He said he was done. He hasn't been here all day, but he did have to work earlier. So I'm just gonna cut into it. Now it says to like run this under hot water, but I'm not doing all that. You only do that, I guess, if you want like a super crisp like cut. I don't care. All right, and now I'm just gonna try a piece. Okay, I wouldn't recommend that you let it sit overnight. It'll set up better overnight versus just an hour and a half. Also, it'll be probably easier to eat. Okay, it's kind of messy to eat it that way, but really good. Might play around with the crust a little bit, but you can also put powdered sugar on top. Oh, that's tart. Oh, put powdered sugar on top. You trust me. Let me know if you try it. Well, let us know if you try it. But we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.